Hi, my name is Jeanne Luminello, and thank you so much for joining me today. I want to talk to you about essential oils and what essential oils can really do for you to help your family's health and wellness and to get toxins out of your home. Essential oils help you to be proactive instead of reactive in your home. This is the way I really use the oils in my home. Essential oils can help you kick toxins out of your home. I won't go through naming all of the chemicals. Just look at your products, any product in your home, and you will see plenty of chemical names that you can't even pronounce. That's just crazy. If we aren't careful about bringing products into homes, we are just adding to the problem. Now, essential oils have helped my family get those chemicals out, and we are using safer products. We are using oils for our body's health and wellness. It's just better all around. Some of the ways to use oils, they are great for supporting different body systems. And we have different oils, and many of them can be taken internally to support those systems. Essential oils can be used to support the respiratory system, immune system, endocrine system, the digestive system. There are a bunch of ways that oils can help with stress levels, focus, emotions, sleeping better at night, and ramping up the energy levels without the highs and lows of stimulants. Essential oils can help get the nasty chemicals out of our homes. Now, I have to give my disclaimer. Obviously, I am not a doctor or healthcare professional. Nothing I say is meant to be diagnose, meant to treat, prescribe, or cure any disease. Always check with your healthcare provider. Now that that is out of the way, I want to go ahead and share how oils can be helpful for your own family. So let's talk about essential oils. You know, when you are outside and you smell all the flowers and the trees of nature, you are actually inhaling essential oils. Essential oils are the plant's defensive force, and they are found in all parts of the plant. Essential oils work at the cellular level and protect cells. They are nutrients that penetrate cell membranes. They penetrate directly through the skin for immediate systemic response. We can actually harvest those therapeutic properties that help the plant to defend itself. That is why we use therapeutic essential oils. Now, these oils are 50 to 70 times more potent than herbs. One drop goes a long way. In fact, only one drop of peppermint oil is equal to 28 cups of peppermint tea. That is amazing. I also want to say that not all essential oils are created equally. In fact, all essential oils are not pure essential oils. This is really important since essential oils have become so trendy. So know what product you're really buying. Now, unfortunately, some oils may be laden with chemicals, or even worse, may have been created in a laboratory. So today, I am going to talk about doTERRA essential oils. doTERRA is dedicated to have the purest oils available. doTERRA has created their own process to ensure quality assurance called CPTG, which stands for Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade. doTERRA tests each batch 8 times, and 3 of those 8 tests are conducted by third-party testing. doTERRA is committed to having oils free from pesticides and other chemicals. So take a look at doTERRA Lavender, and you're going to see that that oil, you can not only apply it to your skin, you can take it internally. So with doTERRA, you can be sure you're getting 100% pure essential oil. Now, when you're buying oils, please make sure, and you can only find this out by going to the company webpage where and how they are harvesting essential oils. Make sure you are getting a real, pure, therapeutic grade for health and wellness. After all, why would you be using essential oils anyway if you didn't want a pure essential oil? I want to give you a word of caution. Never put oils in your eyes, ears, or nose. And should you accidentally get an oil in your eye, put a little bit of carrier oil on the edge of a paper towel. Dab the corner of your eye. Now, never use water. Since oil and water don't mix, you want to dilute that oil, not spread it. Use carrier oils that can easily be absorbed into the skin. Now, two of the most popular carrier oils that are typically used are fractionated coconut oil and grapeseed oil. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, there are 3 ways to use doTERRA essential oil: aromatically, topically, and internally. The bottle tells you how you can use each oil. Aromatically is the first and easiest way to use oils. Just smell the oils. You can put a few drops in your hands, inhale that aroma for 20 to 30 seconds. You can smell them right from the bottle. You can diffuse them. You can replace candles in homes and use them just because they smell nice. doTERRA essential oils are a great help with mood, focus, and sleep. And we all need sleep. Topical use. You can apply them to the back of your neck, your stomach, back, head, directly on the area of concern. Many times you'll apply them to the bottom of your feet for overall health and wellness. The bottle will tell you which oils to dilute. Internal use. doTERRA has over 40 oils that can be used for internal use. They can actually help with all of the body systems, things like digestion. Also, another way to use oils is DIYs. This is a great way to help rid chemicals out of the home. doTERRA has created oil blends. Now, some oil blends are so popular that doTERRA has created special lines for them. There are special lines for kids and babies. Their On Guard oil blend line is for cleansing and immune support. The Breathe blends for respiratory support. And the Deep Blue blend line is for muscle tension and wellness. doTERRA's top-selling product is not an oil, believe it or not, but the Lifelong Vitality Pack, a whole food nutritional supplement for daily living. Now, many people see an increase of energy levels while taking this. To get started on oils, you will really want to start with one of our kits. So today, we are primarily going to get started with the Home Essentials kit. Now, this kit comes with 10 of our top oils. You will see how to use these oils for physical and emotional wellness, cleansing, and different DIY things around your house. Okay, let's get started on the oils. The first oil is lemon. Now, you will use this for a runny nose. Just apply to the area under the nose. It can also be used to get off gummy residue from stickers on photo frames and is refreshing in a glass of cold water. Sounds simple, doesn't it? The next oil is lavender, and it is great for relaxing and sleep issues and bug bites. You can put a few drops on your pillow and also apply directly to bug bites and hives. Now, how easy is that, right? The next oil is peppermint. You will use peppermint for alertness, headaches, and cooling down. When you are feeling sluggish, place a drop or two in your hands, cup your hands together, and breathe in deeply. To cool down, apply to the back of the neck or the bottoms of your feet. Put a drop in water and swish in your mouth for a quick mouthwash. Now, doesn't this sound simple? The next oil is Melaleuca. You will use this for cuts, wounds, athlete's foot, and stinky shoes. You will use this when you cut yourself to clean and disinfect a wound. You can place a few drops on a paper towel and put that into those stinky shoes at night. The next morning, the odor is gone. Sound helpful? The next oil is oregano. You will use oregano for cooking, viruses, athlete's foot, ringworm, warts, and bacterial infections. To cook, you will dip a clean toothpick in the oil and swirl it in your spaghetti sauce. You can apply it diluted to athlete's foot or ringworm. Simple, right? Well, the next oil is frankincense. Now, frankincense, you will use this for wound care, wrinkles, and cellular health. The thing about frankincense, we say, it is the king of oils. So when you're in doubt, use frankincense. Put a dab of frankincense on fine lines and a drop on bottoms of your feet for cellular health. Now, doesn't that sound easy? The next oil is Digest Zen, and this is one of our blends. You won't use this every day, but you will be glad to have it when you need it. When you suffer from stomach issues or bloating, gas, or illness, just rub a few drops on where you feel discomfort. And it really doesn't get any easier, does it? The next oil is Breathe. Now you will use this for respiratory issues, allergy season, trouble breathing at night. Diffuse it at night, rub it with a carrier oil on your chest or on the bottoms of your feet. Simple. The next oil is Deep Blue. Deep Blue will help you naturally reduce pain and inflammation for muscle, back, joint pain. Ever wake up with a neck ache thinking you slept wrong? Rub Deep Blue with a carrier oil on your sore muscles. Sounds good, doesn't it? The next oil is On Guard, and you can use this to kill germs and airborne pathogens. When you're sick, you're traveling into an icky environment, you can take it in some water or a veggie cap to help with immunity. You can diffuse this in the house when someone is sick, or add a few drops with water in a spray bottle to kill germs on surfaces. Those are doTERRA's top 10 oils. And this kit also comes with the petal diffuser and doTERRA's Essentials booklet. There are other kits that you can get started with, but if you are interested in essential oils, this is the best kit to get. The price for the Home Essentials kit is $275. You can also join my Facebook group. Now, when you purchase a doTERRA enrollment kit, you get a 25% discount. Now, this is amazing because this is a wholesale discount. Being a wholesale member also allows you to participate in the Loyalty Rewards program. Now, this is completely optional program, but you do earn product credit back on your orders up to 30%. You can redeem points for free products. I have been on this program long enough that every month I make 30% back in points that I then redeem for more products. Again, it is completely optional, but there are some great benefits to it. Again, to recap, essential oils have helped our family to be proactive in our health, emotions, physical wellness, and a clean home without chemicals. Purchasing a kit is how I got started. You can be a part of my Facebook group. This is a great place to ask questions, have ongoing education, a place to get to know your oils, and if you're overwhelmed, just reach out to me. I hope today was informative. If you don't have oils and want to get started, you can reach me at mydoterra.com/oil purity. My doTERRA referral number is 385-2507, or contact me through my website for a free personalized consult where you can target your specific health goals. Again, my website is mydoterra.com/oil purity. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Have a great day.